Hey, how's everyone doing? Just going to go through a description of the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so a long time ago, there's this old guy. Okay, maybe he's not an old guy when he figured it out, but okay, he's old, okay? He's old. He had a beard. I think it was gray. Enough said. So he came up with this theorem, okay? And what that means is it's something that exists and is known to be true no matter what. So if you come up with a theorem in math, it means that you discovered something that's super important and will be used kind of forever in mathematics, and that is the case because he figured this out a long time ago. So basically what he did is he was investigating right triangles, okay? Now, a right triangle is one that has a 90-degree angle as one of its three angles, okay? 90 degrees meaning a right angle, okay? Now, basically what he did is he discovered that if you take the side lengths, so from here to here of this side, and this side from here to here, and you square them, meaning you take their measurement and multiply it by itself. So if this was 4 centimeters and this was 3 centimeters, Pythagoras figured out that if you square them, times them by themselves, 4 times 4 and 3 times 3, you're going to get 16 here and 9 there. Okay? Now what he discovered is when you add those two together, okay, so let's look over here. So 16 plus 9 gives us 25. Okay, what he discovered was this is the square of the third side. Okay, the longest side on any right triangle is called the hypotenuse, and he discovered if you take the legs, square them, 4 times 4 is 16, 3 times 3 is 9, and you add them together, so the sum of the squares, 16 plus 9 is 25. This number, 25, is what you would get if you squared this third side here, from here to here. Now, a lot of times kids make this mistake here. They'll say, okay, if this side is 4, that's 3, this side's 25. Yeah, makes sense, let's move on. But of course, that doesn't make any sense. If this is 4 and this is 3, just looking at the picture alone, clearly that side is not 25. So what you have to do is one final step, and that's take this 25 and then find its square root, which we know to be 5. Okay, so in a right triangle with side lengths, the legs 4 centimeters and 3 centimeters, the hypotenuse, the longest side, is going to be the sum of the squares of the two shorter sides, and then square root that number to get 5 centimeters in this case, okay? And it works for all right triangles. So any right triangle that you have where you know the side lengths of the legs, you can find the hypotenuse or that third side. And I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video. So that's kind of an introduction to what the Pythagorean theorem is. And yeah, we're going to be working with that for the next little bit here. So hope you enjoyed that. Take care.